morning, I'm Nitya Mashri from class 7B from Bal Bharati Public School, Dwarka. Today, I'm going to teach you how can you make simple jewelries with some eco-friendly materials. So let's check what are the materials. We got some newspaper and colored paper, glue and scissors. We got some tape and some poster colors. And for decorations, we got some eco-friendly decorative materials. And we got some, you can see a fabric strip, which I have a lot. You can make this fabric strip also. So let's begin. So let's begin by making the bangles first. So we'll be needing these rolls, newspaper rolls. As you can see, you need to make almost 40 to 50 rolls and you need a bangle. I've sticked 3 bangles together. So you can see we'll be pasting these newspaper rolls on this in a standing position like this. We have to cover the whole bangle. So see, I have made in this almost the bowl. Just a little more newspaper rolls I have to stick it. So it's almost completed. I have also stick paper on the bangle so that these newspaper rolls stick on it. So now these are completed. We just have to decorate this with fabric strip. Now it's completed and I have fixed fabric strips to decorate it. Now let's start with the necklace. We're needing these rolls and we'll be making these circles out of it. And now I'm going to paint with blue poster colors which are eco-friendly. We'll need almost 7 to 8 circles like this to make our necklace. So I've painted the whole and I'm going to decorate with eco-friendly decorative materials. So we'll be sticking all these circles on this necklace. So after putting the stones, I have keeping the necklace strip also. Now we'll be making earrings. I have made the earrings earlier and I have put the fabric strips. Now we'll be pasting these with the Fevicol. So let's put on Fevicol. Now I've pasted both the earrings and I have 2 types of hooks. Firstly, we are going to insert the small hook and then we will be inserting the big one hook. So let's see how we are going to insert these hooks. So I have opened the small hook. Okay. Now we are going to insert in this white one and insert the big hooks. I have completed my earrings too. As we are completed, now let's move on to the ring. We took a similar circle and covered with this purple sheet. Now I'm going to put on some eco-friendly bindis which look similar like stones. So we'll be decorating this. For making the part that fits in a finger, we are going to make a roll and take a fabric strip. We're going to cover this up and it looks like this, as you can see. Now we'll be making this a circle and pasting the circle sides with the Fevicol. So these are completed. Now I'm going to paste these, both the things, and we'll be inserting in a finger like this. So let's paste them. I've taken the glue and I'm applying the glue. So it's done. The ring is completed too. Let's see what we learned today. We learned how to make this beautiful necklace, as you can see here. This is like this and we can fit this here. Okay, here you see. Now the next thing which I made is this ring, beautiful ring which was designed with the help of these stones. And we also learned how to make this simple earrings. You can see it looked at. And the last thing which we learned was this beautiful necklace, as you can see here, which is a really nice necklace.
देखिए हमारी इको फ्रेंडली ज्वेलरी रेडी है और देखिए कितनी अच्छी लग रही है।